guys! So today I decided to try my hand at a DIY brow lamination. I've been seeing a lot of people trying out this brow lamination technique online and I wanted to try it out myself, but since it is locked down, I can't go anywhere to have it done, so I decided to do it at home. I ordered this lash lift kit online I think a month ago. It just literally arrived yesterday, so I'm very happy about that. So if you don't know what brow lamination is, I'm gonna be adding some photos right here on how it looks. It just makes your eyebrows look bushy. As you can see, I literally have sparse eyebrows. I've had them microbladed I think twice in my life already, so it's quite faded out. So I wanted to try this treatment to make my Asian brow hair go straight. So the best I can hope for today is that my eyebrows don't fall off and it looks quite decent. So let's get on with the video. So before starting, I wanted to give you guys a closer look on how my eyebrow hair looks. It goes straight down, as you can see. I hope that this treatment can make it go up. So I'm reading the instructions on the box. I'm gonna be following it for today's brow lamination since it's basically just perming your eyebrow hair. So the first step is to use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil and dust and makeup residue. So it's basically this one, this clear container. I'm just gonna be putting some on a cotton bud. So I forgot what a cotton bud was called and I had to Google it, but I'm just gonna be dipping this cotton bud into the number 4 cleanser and cleaning my brows. Now, after the cleanser is fully dried up, I'm gonna be using this false lash glue that comes with the kit. I've watched a few videos on how people do it. They put the glue in sections, then try to brush them up so that the glue just doesn't dry out. So I'm gonna be trying that. So the glue actually smells really bad, but I'm gonna be using a spoolie to brush it up because I think it's gonna work a lot better with my eyebrow hair. So it looks a bit crazy right now, but so it looks quite crazy right now. I hope it goes down a bit while it perms. So now I'm gonna be doing the other side as well. So I think I'm quite happy with the shape of this, so I'm gonna be doing the next step. My eyebrows look really crazy right now and I'm gonna be using this priming solution next. I'm gonna be putting it all over a cotton bud. It smells so bad, but I'm just gonna be putting it on top. So I think I coated my eyebrow hair enough, and now I'm gonna be using this cling wrap to cover it. So it says to leave it on for 10 to 12 minutes, so I'll be right back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So it's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna be removing it. My eyebrows look so red. It's because I have sensitive skin, but I'm just gonna be using this clean tool that comes with it to get all the perming solution off. I don't think it's actually coming off with that clean tool, so I'm just gonna be using a cotton bud to wipe all the excess solution off. So now that I got all that perming solution off, I'm gonna be using the number 2 fixation. I'm not sure actually what it is, but it's just this blue solution and I'm just gonna be using it on a cotton bud as well and just gonna be putting it on top. So it says to wrap it in a plastic cling wrap again, so I'm gonna be using the same one. I'm just gonna be folding it and to put it on for another 10 minutes, so I'll be back.
A few moments later.
So it's been another 10 minutes and I'm gonna be removing this. So it looks so red right now because I have really sensitive skin, but it just says to remove the solution and to use the cleanser again. So I'm gonna be using a cotton bud to remove the number 2 fixation solution. So I'm gonna be using the cleanser again and cleaning off the residue. I'm gonna be going over it a couple of times to make sure I get all of the solution off. I waited for the redness to go down a bit, so for the last step, I'm gonna be using the nutrition, which is the number 3 in the kit, and I'm just gonna be using a cotton bud to apply it. I think it's just basically a moisturizer for your brows, so I'm just gonna be putting a bit on my eyebrows. So this is the finished result. I'm quite happy with how it looks actually. I didn't think it would go so well, but all my eyebrow hairs are now burned up. So there's still some sparse areas around here. I think it would have gone better if I did a brow tint with it, but I don't know how to do that and I'm not gonna risk that one. So I'm quite happy with how it looks actually. With that being said, I would still recommend you guys to try it out with a professional. If you really want to do it yourself at home, I suggest you do your proper research first before doing this. But with that said, I'm quite happy with the results. As you can see, my brows look a lot bushier and fuller. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and see you on my next one. Bye!